Hello, this is Ian with DC Digital, and today I'm going to be showcasing a special version of our DC-60UTW-BTC-R multi-purpose timer and clock. What makes this model different from our other models is that it comes with a Piezo alarm that beeps at 85 to 95 decibels when a change in the clock, whether if it's in the timer or just the regular standard clock, is occurring. Beyond that, it is a multi-purpose unit that can serve as both a timer, both uptime and downtime, as well as a standard clock for any environment, which can be any indoor facilities or outdoor recreational centers. So going over the buttons that this model comes with, we have our on and off button. We also have our Piezo alarm, which is our main accessory for this model. It goes off whenever a change occurs. You also have your dim and your bright light button right here, so in case the lights are too bright for you, you just switch it from bright to dim. And on the left we have our start and stop button, our clock and timer button, our up and down button, our set hours, set minutes, reset to last value, and zero reset button. And we also supply our customers with a wireless controller, which are redundant off the controls on the left-hand side of the enclosure. And it's what we'll be using to explain the functions of this clock. So as we are right now, we are in clock mode. So I'm going to set the hours to 5. And as soon as you find 5, you just press the set hours button and it stops it. I want it to be 5:15. So in that case, you just press set minutes on the wireless controller. And as soon as you see it, you just press the set minutes button when you find what you want. This controller, by the way, can be operated up to 1,500 feet away outdoors and 300 feet indoors. So now I want to switch it to timer. So in that case, press on the button right there, and that switches it to timer. And you can tell that it's an up timer mode by this little dot on the top left hand side of the enclosure. So now I'm going to start the up timer function, and in order to start it, you just press the start and stop button, and that starts the up timer. And that, in order to stop it, just press the start and stop button again, and that stops it right there. And in order to reset it to 0, just press the 0 reset button right here. Resets it right back to 0. We want to switch it to down timer, so in that case you just press this button at the bottom to switch it to down timer, and that switches it to downtime. And you can see, and you notice that the dot that was originally on the top left corner is now in the bottom right corner. So say I want the time limit to be 15 minutes. So then in that case, you can press the set minutes right here. You just wait until it's 15 set minutes. It's 16 minutes now, but you get the idea. You essentially just press the button to make it increment and go up. Press it again to make it stop, obviously. So then in this case, we have our set minutes. So in that case, once you have your set minutes, just press start and stop again. Starts the countdown. Now say I want to reset it to the last value. Well, then in that case, I just press the last value button, which can be found right here. Press it down and it resets it to 16 minutes. So now I'm going to be going over the hardware aspects of this model. The type of enclosure that this unit comes with is a aluminum IP66 that is waterproof, fingerprint resistant, and it comes in a black patterned case. Its display size is 6 inches with the 4-digit LED lights that can be viewed up to 300 feet. Its power type is a 12-volt 3-amp that lasts for 8 hours with a charge indicator status of 8 hours, as I said before. And it comes with a charger that you plug under the right-hand side of the unit and a charge cord that you plug into the battery, and you plug that into the wall via a power outlet. And both of those are 6 feet, and we provide that for our customers. And lastly, for mounting, we have our heavy-duty aluminum tripod with pneumatic lowering, and it comes with a carrying handle at the top of the enclosure and a travel case for transportation and storage for both your chargers and your unit and your wireless controller. So again, this has been Ian with DC Digital, demonstrating a special version of our DC-60UTW-BTC-R multi-purpose timer and clock with Piezo alarm and wireless controller. Thanks for watching.